You want to look good and you still want to save some coin? Yes, this video is for you. Just sit back, relax and watch this video because I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this with just a normal hair extension. So guys, I was super excited when I found out this trick and I said, why don't I share this with my subscribers? So here I'm just gonna use a normal hair extension which cost me just £2.50. To achieve this, I'm going to be using the expression, and here I have just cut it into 2 equal parts. I am trying to pull out the hair. When you cut out your hair extension, you realize that the hair extension is blunt at the end because we don't want to work with a blunt hair. Just pull it out a little bit to give it a little bit of sharp penciled end. If you get what I mean. That's the only way I can explain it, guys. I don't know. This color is a color 1. You can go ahead and use any color of your choice. So I'm just gonna keep brushing this hair until it is nice and smooth.
Does the beat take you over? You just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
So guys, I've just gone ahead to stretch out 4 extensions. These are all of them, and I'm not going to be using them all in this video. I'm going to be showing you a few of what I did, and I'll later use the rest of it. So what you want to do is tie a rope around your chair or wherever you find is convenient for you. So what you want to do is get a small section of hair. All you need is a very small section of hair. You don't need much. Make sure you pick a little section of hair, guys. You don't need much. Make a loop. Place a section of hair behind the wool. Now you want to stick your hand behind the loop and pull the other part of the hair to make a knot. It's just as simple as that, guys. Very easy. So you want to make sure this is well secured so it doesn't get unraveled. And I'm just going to continue like this, and I want you to watch closely, guys.
Do you see the spark? Do you feel the fire inside me? Do you see the sparks that I'm setting free? Does the beat take you over? You just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel your bones
So here I'm just trying to brush the hair until it is nice and smooth. So for the next step, you are going to be needing a straw like this, and you're also going to be needing a bobby pin. And I think I also used a small little elastic band, which I'm still going to be showing you in this video. So now you're just going to continue to wrap your hair around the straw. And when you wrap it at the beginning of the straw, you want to bend it and then use your bobby pin to secure it so it doesn't get unraveled. And now I'm just going to continue to wrap the hair around the straw, and when I get to the end, this is where I'm going to use my small elastic band to get it secured. I'm going to be showing you soon in this video because I wasn't able to use the bobby pin to secure it at the end, so I just went ahead and used my elastic band to get it really nice and secured, and it did the job pretty well. guys, at the end of the hair, if you look very closely, I used the elastic band to secure the ends. But at the beginning of the hair, I used bobby pin to get it nice and secured. This is what works for me. You can do whatever works for you. If you can use bobby pin for both, go ahead and do it. This is what I've done so far, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna use my scissors to cut, and then I'll dip this in hot water. Get a bowl and dip it in hot water. And what I did was that I added some conditioner to mine. This is optional, and when I was unraveling it, the conditioner kept it really moisturized. I just love the texture. So you might consider adding some conditioner if you want. That is a good option if you want to. So I just left this to sit for like 1 to 2 minutes before taking it out. So guys, this is the result. I love how it turned out. It's just so lovely, so moisturized, and it's just perfect, guys. I love it. This is definitely worth it, guys. Now you see, you don't need to spend fortune to look good. So when I tried stretching it out a little bit to get some kind of fuller look, this is what it is looking like. This is definitely worth it, guys. What do you guys think? I'm going to be fixing it in my next video, so definitely stay tuned for that video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, you all. And we got 66 in one pack. Imagine this, guys. Oh my god, I love this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.